Good morning, good people. How you doing? What's up, good people? Hey, listen, I want you guys for the remainder of this month to make sure that you are subscribed. I don't care even if you are. Make sure the notification bell is checked and make sure it is checked for all. All right, I can't see your comments. What's going on here? What's going on here? Let me go window, comments, interview. There we go. All right, there we go. All right, let's get it going. We got a lot to talk about. As you know, Nvidia reported on last night. I'm going to talk about the links in between. And for those of you that was on the live last night, you saw an exciting announcement here. First, this is the Moo app. This talks about things that is going on. Look at that. Before the bell, the NASDAQ jumped by a full percent. It was stoked on Nvidia's earning. This is in the Moo app. This is the second link below. Make sure you download it. It also talks about Jackson Hole. So let's just go right to it. As we can see, Nvidia tops estimates and says sales will jump 170% this quarter, driven by demands for AI chips. For those of you that don't know, AI is artificial intelligence. And so it jumped up last night. Where's my Nvidia window? Let's go right to Nvidia. As we can see, Nvidia closed at 471. And let me blow that up for you guys. Closed at 471. And it is currently at 501. You see that? Currently at 501, up another 6%. Now, last night at closing bell, it went up to 517 after closing bell. So what I did, for those of you that have the Moo app, you can trade before the market opens and after the market closes. So I did a little experiment. I bought some right at earnings, right? I just bought the stock, Nvidia, just bought some. And, the price was just going up. We didn't know how the news was. So I just bought some soon as the report came out, right? So it hits this app before even CNBC reported it, like a minute before. So I saw the information was good. And so I just bought some and I sold it at 517 in post market. So I bought it at 475 and I sold it at 517. And that just so happened to be the top. It was just a guess. I didn't know it was going to top out at 517, but it is good. All right. Good morning, good people. I'll get to you guys. I am up early because I am going to be jumping on a flight this morning, and I'll be headed to Atlanta. I will be at Invest Fest. For those of you that are going to be there, I'm going to make a video tonight, and I'm going to talk about, for those of you that are in the Atlanta area, where we can possibly meet up Friday. Okay. So I'm going to talk about that later. Well, I'll just say it. Invest has an auditorium where all of the, they have the booths and all of that. This Friday, well, tomorrow at 12 noon, it's actually open to the public. That's in Atlanta, Georgia. So that's going to be part of my meet and greet tour. Guess who's joining me? Guess who will be joining me there? Keenan Grace will be joining me there. And Stocks with Josh says he's going to join me there too. So it will be the first stop on my meet and greet tour. All right. So let's go. We got a lot to talk about. So Jackson Hole. Jackson Hole starts today. The Fed will be talking. Jackson Hole starts today. So we need to be careful. Now, Fed Jerome Powell will be speaking tomorrow, Friday. All right. So he could continue to bring the market up, or he could flash it down. All right. So be careful with the Fed. Be careful with your plays, because Jerome Powell can be overly hawkish, because he's way more relaxed at Jackson Hole than he is on the FOMC meeting. He could say something that causes the market to go down. Now, we talked about Nvidia. NASDAQ is up in Nvidia. And guess what else is up? One of the plays we are in, Tesla is up. All right. So as we can see, Tesla closed at 236, and now it is up a percentage in the pre-markets. Now, I am going to look at Tesla. If the market starts to come down a lot today, I personally will be doing a call option on Tesla to 248. Okay, 248. And I will have the expiration date sometime next month. Okay, if I see a 2 week period, that's where I'm going to put my expiration date on Tesla. All right, so I'll be doing a Tesla call, but I'm going to monitor it. I'm not just saying I'm going to do it. I'm going to monitor it and see what the indices are going to do for us today. All right, so I just want to put that out there. As a matter of fact, where is the indices right now at the time of this? At the time of recording this, you can see the Dow is down 68, all right, points, but the NASDAQ is up 16, and the S&P is up 16 points, and the NASDAQ is up 127 points or 130 points because of Nvidia's earnings, all right? We got a few more minutes, and then I'm going to answer one or two questions. There again, let's put this in a way, and then I'll continue to talk about sound and APLD. All right. So number one, you guys know that this video is sponsored by Stock Up You. Come and learn how to earn constantly. Learn how to earn money, whether the market is going up, down, trading sideways. Let us teach you how to make money in the market. Then get your 16 free stock, okay, with Moo. Okay, I don't know why it's looking that way. And here's the announcement that we made last night on the live over at Stocks with Josh page. This is the Stock Squad. We're going to get a better photo. We know we're working on it, but it is a Patreon, okay, and we will be helping people to make money simply. We're going to work together to pick the best stock, all right? And we're also going to have our own portfolios all in the same Patreon. This will be the third link below. The first link is Stock Up You. Second link is Moo. And the third link is the Stock Squad. No more Core 4. It's now the Stock Squad. All right, let's go straight to sound, right? Because a lot of you guys were in sound. Now, sound was a sympathy play for me. Like I said on yesterday's video, I was holding sound and I was holding APLD. All right. Why was I holding it? Just in case Nvidia knocked it out of the park like they did yesterday. And I said on yesterday's video, if Nvidia went up, so will APLD and so will sound. And so here we are in the pre-markets. Sound closed at 244 and it is currently at 249, up 2%. That is a sound, okay? Sound AI because of Nvidia, and Nvidia was really ramped up because of the demand for what? AI, okay? And so let's go to APLD, Applied Digital. Applied Digital, as we can see, it closed at 678. It is currently, before the bell opens, at 690, and it is up, look at that, 1.75%. Okay, so now also to Mara and Riot, we are looking to start possibly entering into some more plays. But on Mara and Riot, just like I promised, and some of the other crypto mining companies, we will be doing that in the Webull app. I'm sorry, not the Webull. We'll be doing that in Moo. Okay, so for those of you that want to follow in that play, make sure you download that second link below, Moo, and then make sure that you get it funded. Okay, so we're going to start just accumulating in the crypto minings. You know what? I may have a little sound in there, but we will have APL, nope, not APLD. We will have Mara, Riot, Clean Spark, those type of all of the crypto minings. That's what we're going to do. We're going to build a portfolio and we're going to see which one performs the best. All right. We're 10 minutes. Good people. You guys know I love you guys, but I got to keep it short and jump on the plane. Good morning, good people. Hey, good morning, good people. Hey, good morning. Thank you so much for your prayers in the loss of a family, dear family member. Thank you so much for your prayers. I'm just telling you guys that are non-spiritual. You guys don't know what you're missing. I literally feel your prayers, and I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. I feel a little more encouraged today. So just pray for us, as we get through this. Okay. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, good morning, good people. Good morning. Top of the morning to you. Yep. Top of the morning to you. Yes. Good morning. All right. All right. Hey, there's Charles in the house. Yes, sir. There's my man. Yep. There's my man. You look like the guitar player from the Isley Brothers. AI smooth as butter brown. Oh, man. What do you say? Wisconsin just finished the workout. Eggs and coffee. My man, I'm gonna get one in, but I gotta get it in when I get there. Hey, we gotta take care of these bodies. All right, rarely leave messages. Just wanted to say I'm proud of you and your progress forward. Hey, man, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Your kind words really do bless me. Yep. Invest Fest in the ATL. Yep, that's where I'll be. I'm not speaking. I'm just going there. Earn your leisure. Those are my guys. Rashad, love those guys. Master Investor, Trap, all of those guys. Yes. Okay, let's go. Hey, excited. You from Atlanta, my man. Come join us Friday at 12 noon. I just put it at 12 noon because that's the only segment that's free. All right. So you don't have to, if you don't have a ticket to the event, you can go there. Okay. Let's see here. It's in the CNN building. That whole complex. Okay. So just Google it. All right. Hey, good morning, brother. Yep. Hey, you met me at Invest Fest last year. Hey, come look for me. Look for me this year, man. I just want to come and love on you guys, man. That's it. Yep. What time on Friday? 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock Atlanta time. Okay. So it's going to be at Invest Fest, right? In that big conference center, right? Good morning, good people. All right. Irish Energy, Larry. Irish Energy? Yes. I'm sorry. Yep. Hey, hit that thumbs up. Hey, good people. Hey, peace and love. Man, I really appreciate you guys. You guys don't know how much I appreciate you guys when you're really going through. And, I'll be honest with you. Sometimes I don't want to get on this platform like when you lose somebody and, hey, good morning. Because you don't want to, you get some knuckleheads, you read the wrong thing, it gets in your spirit and you're already down. But, man, I thank God for you guys, for your positivity. I'm going to keep bringing you guys the best of what I can. Listen, in closing, make sure that every day this month, make sure that you are subscribed. I know you say, hey, I got the notification. That doesn't mean you subscribe. And make sure your notification bell is clicked on all. It's easier to do on your computer. And then lastly, Stock Up You, top link in the description below. If you're on your phone, just tap what the title of this video says and look at the drop down. Second one, join us with Mumu as we build this portfolio. All right, in crypto mining companies. Number 3, come and join the Quad Squad is what I call it. I call it the Quad Squad. So come join us, man. Come join the Stock Squad. All right. Just come join us and you're going to make money. All 4 of us together is going to make you money. It's just that simple. And it's going to save you and protect you from making mistakes. All right. Pray for me as I travel. I will try to make a video tonight. The reason I'm making one now is I don't know, between travel and all of that, you guys know I might not get to a video. So if you're in the Atlanta area, we will be at InvestFest. We will be in the booth space. I don't know the booth number yet. I'm so sorry. But it will be 12 o'clock Atlanta time. I put it that way so people can run over on their, lunch breaks. Okay. All right. We love you guys. We'll see you later. All right. Live, love, laugh, learn, be kind, rewind, do it again.